Racing just is started. We have Che and Ryan break quickly at a start. Pedro Penduko is down on the inside. Masagana on the outside. Pretty Bull and on the outside. Squeeze running by the rail. Is September Morning. Miss Pangaw comes next. Paminsan-minsan, alam mo na yan. Storm Racing second less. While Rush Away is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Pedro Penduko by our length and a half. Che and Ryan in second. Masaganang Ani in third. September Morning is down on the inside. In the middle portion now is Pretty Bull. Squeeze. Miss Pangaw paminsan-minsan. Then comes Alam mo na yan. Racing second last Storm while Flash Away is still racing in 11. 10 out of our turn. We have Pretty Bull now takes command. Down on the inside is September Morning, and in third Pedro Penduko. Che and Ryan moving up. Masaganang Ani paminsan-minsan comes next, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Pretty Bull moving up now. On the outside is September Morning, and in third now is paminsan-minsan with about 100 meters of the race. Pretty Bull followed by September Morning, paminsan-minsan on the outside, but it's still Pretty Bull, and finally Pretty Bull. Second is paminsan-minsan. September Morning close. Alam mo na yan, Flash Away and Masaganang Ani.
Magkasunod si Nestor. Check. 7-1-2 lang ang klaro.